not getting paid on Walmart, or is Walmart charging the wrong card? I'll show you how to update all types of payment and charge methods on Walmart in today's video. So the first thing you want to do is obviously change the deposit method to where you're getting paid. So what you're going to do is log into Seller Center. You're going to go to settings right here, and then you're going to click that cog icon. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down to payment info. So scroll down, payment info, right down here under financial services, you'll see it. Right now, you might be connected to Hyperwallet or Payoneer. There might be a third or fourth one, depending on where you're at on Walmart. Now, to change this, you do have to contact customer service, but it is possible to change it. So there's a guide right here, and Walmart actually says the only way to change it right here, to make changes to your payout information, select the help button in Seller Center menu to contact support. So we're going to go back to Seller Center. We're going to take a screenshot of this. So you need to take a screenshot because you want to make sure Walmart understands. And then you're going to click this little question mark icon. You can go back to your home screen. You'll see it. And just say, hi, I would like to change my payment info, image attached, and make sure you attach an image of your current one that says active. Then click next, and then you can simply open up a case with Walmart, connect to a different payment method. This one right here, click confirm, right? Or you can do questions about payment method if that one doesn't work. So just contact Walmart about that. Super simple, right? It will take some time to change, so just be aware of that, but it will work. Now, another thing is your charge methods. So if Walmart's randomly charging you, you're like, oh my gosh, they're charging my bank account or they're charging my credit card. You want to go back to the settings where we were before. And then right above payment info is billing services. It's going to have usually your bank account right here. So what you want to do is add a billing method, either your credit card, your debit card, a different bank account, and then you can delete your other one from here, right? So this is how, if Walmart's charging you, where do you want them to charge you? Okay. Last but not least is going to be where you're charged for ads, advertising. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in advertising.walmart.com. Right now you have to go to a separate page, but go to advertising.walmart.com. It's going to look something like this. Just click sign in with Seller Center. Once you're here, you're going to go to the home page, click right here, dashboard. Then you're going to go to billing manager right here. You're going to click on billing manager. Once you're here, you're going to go all the way to the top right, and it is edit payment method. You're going to click on that, and boom, you can edit the payment method. Right now, it automatically deducts from your Seller Center, but you can have it charge a credit card or a debit card, however you want it. Now, those are the 3 ways to change it right now. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. Of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh. I am signing out.